25. The DBJ is now again from the right. Warbird Thunder.
You gotta get the control mat. There's the board ran. That is the one.
And now from the right, one of the most basic aerobatic maneuvers, the big old box stormers flip for the first time. Formation flying is a still art of demanding discipline and trust, and is designed to allow a group of aircraft engineers who are going to watch one that is partially casted from bullets, the barrel roll, the 1930s competitors. Stay perfectly aligned while standing synchronized on the leadership. Believe it or not, the sound of the is actually not so much that of the engines, but rather the propeller tips going supersonic. As the team repositions once again. the ones in home care a helping hand when you need it. CT and Buick making their way off runway 32 in front of us. They'll be taxiing down the line, and for those of you down at Air Show right, you'll actually get a chance to see these aircraft up close as they taxi by. With the engines going, and in some cases the canopy's closed, they often won't be able to hear you, but they certainly will be able to see you, so be sure to wave your hands, wave your hats up high in appreciation for their outstanding performance here today. In just a moment, we're about to make things fast and furious as we welcome from your United States Air Force the F-16 Fighting Falcon, affectionately known as the Viper. Coming to us from Shaw Air Force Base in the 20th Fighter Wing in South Carolina, we're going to be tearing up the sky. It's now time that we turn things over to them. Please welcome the narrators for today's demonstration, Master Sergeant Deandra Baker and Technical Sergeant Josh Butcher.